Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today in this class we are going to solve only a single problem of previous year CSI or friends. Okay friends, let us start. First let us read the question friends. The correct statement regarding boron among means here they have given four options. Okay, and here they have given four statements. No? So after reading these statements, we have to find out the correct statements regarding boron. Okay friends, first once let us read the statements first. Okay, yeah, first statement. Nuclear spin of boron is greater than that of B10. Here they have given B11. Here they have given B10. So they are telling that nuclear spin of boron 11 is greater than that of boron 10. Okay, next, second option. The polarities of BH bond and CH bonds are opposite. Next, third. Cross section of neutron absorption for boron 10 is much more than that of boron 11. Next, boron reacts with boiling aqueous NaOH solution to form NaBOH taken 4 times. Okay, these are the four options given by them. Okay, let us try to solve this. Yeah. See, first let us check the second option. Okay. See, here they have given BH and CH. We should know electronegativity. Of course, we know the electronegativity of hydrogen. Hydrogen's electronegativity is 2.1. Okay. See, in both these cases, hydrogen is present. So, we should write the electronegativity of hydrogen. Okay. Next, here it is boron. Okay. As we know that electronegativity of boron is less when compared to hydrogen. So here the electronegativity is only 2.04. Okay, and here we know that when compared to hydrogen, carbon has more electronegativity. So that here the carbon have 2.4 electronegativity. Okay, yeah. See, in this means we have to look at this. See, here hydrogen has more electronegativity now, so that here we have to indicate like this. This is just like partial negative charge like that. So here boron should be indicated with partial positive charge because it has means it is less electronegative than hydrogen. Okay, next, here also friends we know here carbon is more electronegative no, so that here carbon should be indicated by using partial negative charge. Okay, and here hydrogen is partial positive charge because it is less electronegative when compared to carbon. That's why. Okay, and see, if we observe the directions, here it is moving towards right side, but here it is moving towards this side, means here they are in opposite directions. No, actually this is the thing what actually they have given in the second statement. See, the polarities of BH bond and CH bonds are opposite. Of course it is correct now, so second option is correct. Next, let's check some more options. Okay, yeah. Next, nuclear spin values. See, if we find out the nuclear spin values for boron 10 and boron 11, we will get this. Means boron 10 has nuclear spin value of 3 and boron 11 has 1.5. Okay, means here nuclear spin value is more for boron 10. Yeah, yes, that's actually what they have given. See, nuclear spin of boron 11 is greater than that of boron 10. Here they have given like this. So they are telling that nuclear spin of boron 11 is greater, but here boron 10 is greater. So that this statement is wrong. So first statement is wrong friends. Next, see, now let us look at the fourth statement. See, boron when treated with aqueous NaOH or base. This is actually the thing which we know. We know this. What do you say? Yes. Because see, boron in aqueous medium, it doesn't have any reaction. Because if we want to make boron to react with base, the temperature should be maintained above 500 degrees. Then only the reaction may be possible friends. But here in the statement what they have given, boron reacts with boiling aqueous NaOH solution to form NaBOH4. This is wrong because we know that boron if boron wants to react with aqueous NaOH or the aqueous base, means here temperature of about 500 degrees centigrade or more than 500 degrees centigrade should be maintained. So that this option is also wrong, friends. Next, last. See, actually this is the theoretical part, friends. So we should have idea about this. See, here cross section of neutron absorption. Okay, you see here, this is barn, BARN, this is barn. Actually this barn is the unit of neutron absorption. Okay, try to remember this. This is also important. Okay, yeah. So units of neutron absorption or barns. Okay, next, see, actually these are the experimental, see, these are the fixed values, friends. Okay, for boron 10, cross section of neutron absorption is 4000 bonds, whereas for boron 11 it is only 0.004 bonds. It is very less. Okay, yeah. In the statement what they had given, see, cross section of neutron absorption for boron 10 is much more than that of boron 11. They are telling that for boron 10 the value is more. Yeah, of course what they said is correct, because for boron 10 only we have the more value, 4000 bonds, right? Yeah, that's why this statement is also correct. See, so our option is A, friends, because 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, I hope you understood, friends. Thank you.